dragging the shit across the ground. Look, ambulances guys decided that their break is over, got back out of the ambulance, grabbed their stuff. Now they're finally going back to the patient. What the hell they were doing in the ambulance for the past 5 minutes, who the fuck knows. But now that there's more cops on scene, it seems that they're actually going to do something with him now. And they're going to lift him up and put him in the ambulance. Get him down. The other girl is just hanging out in the ambulance. You know, normally they would strap a patient down first before they start moving him, but in the Israeli case, they're just gonna throw him in. Just throw him in. Why not?
I mean, he's not that hurt.
He's not that hurt, but and if you get hit on a motorcycle by a car in the United States, they like secure your neck.
Yeah, he
They put you down. They shouldn't have gotten up. He should have been laying in the street. I mean, technically,
like he got up,
he
so
could
obviously.
sue